accidentally deleted important messages on your iPhone? Watch to the end and I will share how to get your lost messages back with some simple steps. Firstly, we are gonna open Messages app and click this button added in the top left. Now you should see option Show Recently Deleted. So here, if you're lucky and it's been less than 30 to 40 days, your messages may be there. So select chats you wanna recover and then click this button Recover Message. After that, click Done and this message will appear in your chat. Another way is through settings. So let's open it. Tap on the Apple account. Here, click on the iCloud and then tap to see all. From here, I want you to find messages in iCloud and turn that Use on this iPhone feature on so the switch will be green. So make sure that messages synchronization is turned on. Also go in the Keep Messages and set here Forever. And then in the status, make sure that you can see here recent synchronization. If not, tap Sync Now and then wait a bit. So if you are sure that your iPhone was backing up before deleting the messages, you can restore the data from the cloud. Another way is to use your laptop or PC, download iTunes or Finder app on it, then go to the backup section and select the last backup where the messages should be and restore the device from it. But note that all data added after this backup will be lost. And if SMS messages, which has green color like that, have been deleted, your network provider, your mobile operator may be able to recover them. So contact your support team and ask about the possibility of recovery. But note that this may require the consent of both parties. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.